So here we are now for round number 3. So the straight 6 lives again. She smokes a little though. That's just all that brake fluid. Come on in. So all we did there was we just took that cap off right there, dumped a little bit of gas down in there, and gave the battery a little bit of time on that charger. So here we go. The old F100 comes to life. Sounds like a dream. Little smoky.
Oh, fuck. Woo!
I think she got a little smoky.
A little smoky, yeah.
Little stuck there?
Yeah, she just wouldn't come up over the hill.
Oh
I
well.
don't know what happened. I think the brake may have stuck on.
Yeah, the brake. The one brake. Well, I guess the rest could be seized.
What?
I said I guess the rest could be seized.
No. There's not put on the brake.